नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका अपने चैनल मनोज गुप्ता एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज हम लोग क्लास 8th के हिस्ट्री एंड सिविक्स में सिविक्स लेसन नंबर 4 द इंडियन जुडिशियल सिस्टम, इस लेसन का एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल, लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर। दोस्तों, आप लोग इस वीडियो को अच्छी तरीके से देख करके, अच्छी तरीके से सुन करके भी इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर बाहर कर सकते हैं। ये है लेसन नंबर 4 द इंडियन जुडिशियल सिस्टम, उसका एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, choose the correct option and complete the statements. First, laws are made by dash legislature, council of minister, judiciary, executive. The answer is legislature. Laws are made by legislature. Now next. Second, the chief justice of Supreme Court is appointed by dash the prime minister, the president, the home minister, the chief justice. The answer is the president. The chief justice of Supreme Court is appointed by the president. Now next question. Question number 2, explain the concepts. First, judicial review. The answer is first, the constitution is the fundamental law of the nation and to protect it is the prime responsibility of the Supreme Court. Second, the parliament cannot pass any law that violates the constitution. Third, every act or policy made by the executive should be consistent with the constitution. Fourth, if any law passed by the legislature or any act of the executive violates any provision of the constitution, the said law or act is declared illegal. Fifth, so it is struck down by the Supreme Court. Sixth, this power of the Supreme Court is known as judicial review. Now next, second, public interest litigation. The answer is first, public interest litigation or PIL refers to litigations filed on issue of public importance and issue related to the welfare of the people. Second, it can be filed by individual citizens, social organization or non-governmental organizations or NGOs on behalf of all the people. Third, issue related to rehabilitation of people who have lost their homes or lands, protection of environment, protection of the weaker section of society, etc. have been effectively handled through PIL. Fourth, PILs are effective tools which require minimum expenditure and get immediate justice. Now next question. Question number 3, write short notes on first, civil and criminal law. The answer is civil law. First, it is one of the two main branches of law. Second, it deals with conflicts which affect or interfere with the rights of an individual. Third, conflicts regarding land and property, rent agreement, divorce, etc. are included under civil law. Fourth, after filing a petition in the relevant court, the court gives a decision. And criminal law, first, serious crimes are dealt under criminal law. Second, crimes like theft, robbery, dowry, murder, etc. are included under criminal law. Third, in these cases, the first step is to file a first information report or FIR with the police, who investigate the matter and file a petition in the court. Fourth, if the charges are proved, there are provisions for severe punishment. Now next, second, judicial activism. The answer is first, the court settle the disputes whenever they are approached for that purpose. Second, but in the recent time, this image of courts has undergone a change. Third, they have become increasingly active. Fourth, the courts are now trying to fulfill the constitutional goal of justice and equality. Fifth, the courts have tried to provide legal protection to the marginalized section of society, women, tribal, workers, farmers and children. Sixth, public interest litigation related to issues like victimization of women, malnourishment among children, etc. have played an important role in boosting judicial activism. Now next question. Question number 4, answer in brief. First, why are laws necessary in society? The answer is first, differences in opinion, thoughts, perspectives, different cultures of people give rise to conflicts. These conflicts can be resolved impartially by the judiciary. Second, social justice and equality in society can be established with the help of law. Third, it also helps to bring weaker section of the society, women, children, differently abled and transgenders into the mainstream of the society. Fourth, law helps the common man to get the benefit of values of freedom, equality and democracy. Fifth, law helps to protect the rights of the people. 6. It prevents emergence of repressive and authoritarian groups and individuals. Hence, laws are necessary in society. Now next, second, enumerate the functions of the Supreme Court. The answer is the functions of the Supreme Court are as follows. First, as a federal court, it has the responsibility to settle disputes between the center and the states on one side and states on the other. Second, it gives order to relevant authorities to protect the fundamental rights of the people. Third, it has the power to review decrees and order of the lower courts and also review its own decision. Fourth, it provides necessary advice to the president if he or she asks for advice to understand the legal aspects in matters of public importance. Now next, third, which are the provisions that preserve the independence of the judiciary? The answer is the Constitution has made following provisions to preserve the independence of the judiciary. First, to avoid any political pressure, judges are appointed by the president. Second, judges enjoy the security of tenure. They cannot be removed from the post of trivial reasons or for political motives. Third, the salaries of the judges are drawn from the Consolidated Fund of India. No discussion regarding this takes place in the parliament. Fourth, personal criticism cannot be made on judges for their acts and decisions. It is considered as contempt of court and is a punishable offense. Fifth, the parliament cannot discuss the decisions of the judges. Now next question. Question number 5. Complete the table. Organization of the judiciary. Supreme Court, Chief Justice. High Court, Chief Justice. डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट, डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हमारा यहाँ पे लेसन नंबर 4 का एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हुआ। फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर लिख करके बताइए। इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल सके और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। नमस्कार दोस्तों।